Hey everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. Just doing a quick video wall prep. So when we're inspecting homes, we kind of do a good, decent job of looking at your walls, trying to figure out how much time it's going to take. Sometimes when we get into the house, it takes longer because of stuff you don't see with furniture. Like when we first came here, this room had furniture on it, drapes, and so a lot of stuff gets hidden. So now that we're actually day of painting, a couple things that changed. The crown molding that was there is off, so you can kind of see just with that itself, you get the holes to fix, and then where it was painted and caulked, there's a ridge, so that all has to be fixed. Curtains, fixing that. We're still gonna pole sand the wall. Then you start looking down the wall this way where you couldn't see it with the furniture. You can start seeing some of these divots, some areas where it's not a big deal with the paint, so it kind of depends what you're looking for. You can kind of see some of those, nail pops, previous patchwork, whatever that is, some kind of anchors that was there before. So now it's a matter of how much time and effort do you want to spend to fix all this stuff. If you're putting a flat paint on the wall, you're not going to see it. This is shinier, so you're going to see it. The paint we're using is a matte, so some of the stuff's not going to show as much, but you're still going to see a lot of the little stuff that's on there. You can still see all the hair. So aside from pole sanding, we have to put something on here so we don't want all the hair getting in the paint from previous owners. So that's the wall that we're looking at, is for an example. And then this is what we've actually had to do on the other side of the room. So same room, almost same type of finish, but it went from just, we're just gonna paint real quick to we're not gonna paint real quick. So a lot of these were nail pops. Some of them were divots. This one was a drywall seam itself. It had a huge ridge in it. So trying to float that out. And then on the top where that same thing, that drywall had a bump on there. And then there was just a lot of areas where the wall itself had a lot of just problems. The corner had bubbles in the tape where old repairs were made and weren't made well. That was the worst one. Well, you can kind of see it. You can kind of see how that looked. Or how this looks. That one was worse. So that's the kind of stuff we're fixing. So little stuff, again, trying to figure out how much time, effort, money, what you want it to look like. This would be like a level, I would consider like a level 2, maybe 2.5. We're getting this wall to like a level 3, 3.5 to make it flatter, getting rid of all the stuff that's on there. And then we're gonna pole sand everything, prime it, paint it. So just again, looking at your walls, how much time and effort you want to spend, how much work's it going to take. We went from painting walls only to now we're committed to ceilings because of little things like these divots there. You get around a corner that had a huge nail pop that was there that we had to fix. And as you walk around the ceiling, there was a couple other spots. Where's that? Over here. Same thing, nail pops, where someone fixed it and they didn't fix it, they just kind of went over it, and there was a couple more over there. So it's, again, what you're looking for, what you want your house to look like when we're done. If you put sheen on the ceiling, it's gonna show everything just like the wall, even worse. So look at your walls, go down sideways, look at the sheen, and you'll see everything that's a problem. All those flat spots are the repairs. You'll see it all. Everything's gonna come through. And either we can help do that or you can do it before we come. It's up to you, but kind of know what you're looking for. Got questions on painting your walls, what to look for, how we can help you? Give us a call at DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. Thanks.